Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. The side lengths of this triangle are 6 units, and there is a semicircle inside it. The diameter of this semicircle lies on side of this triangle and touches other two sides. We have to find the area of this semicircle. Consider this is the center of this semicircle, and this circle touches this line in this point. Now join these 2 points. As this is the center of this circle and this point lies on the circumference of this circle, so this line indicates the radius of this circle. Consider the radius of this circle is r, and this side length of this triangle is 6 units, and this will be half of this line, so this length will be 3 units. So this length from the center and this corner of this triangle, and this angle will be 90 degree. As the side length of this triangle are equal, so all of this angle will be equal, and this every angle will be 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. Now this triangle is a right angle triangle. This angle is 60 degree, and this line indicates the height of this triangle, and this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So applying trigonometry, here we can write sine 60 degree is equal to this height r divided by hypotenuse, which is 3, or sine 60 degree is equal to square root of 3 over 2 is equal to this r over 3. Now multiplying both sides by 3, we will get square root of 3 over 2 times 3 is equal to right side r over 3 times 3, or this will be 3 times square root of 3 over 2 is equal to this 3 and this 3 will cancel, and it will be r. So the radius of this semicircle r is equal to this 3 times square root of 3 over 2. So the area of this semicircle will be half of the area of full circle. The area of full circle is pi r square. So this is the area of this circle, and this half indicate the half circle, is equal to this 1 over 2 times this pi times radius, which is 3 square root of 3 over 2, and this square is equal to this 1 over 2 times this pi times this 3 square is 9 times square root of 3 whole square. This square root and square will cancel and it will be 3 over this 2 square is 4 is equal to 3 times 9 is 27 times this pi over this 2 times 4 is 8, and this is the area of this semicircle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.